Hajj, the annual pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca, holds immense significance for Muslims around the world. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam and represents a spiritual journey that brings numerous benefits to the pilgrims. The experience of Hajj is not merely a physical undertaking but rather a transformative journey of faith. In this video, we will explore the various benefits of Hajj, both on an individual and communal level. Spiritual purification and personal growth. Hajj provides a unique opportunity for spiritual cleansing and personal growth. Through the rituals of Hajj, pilgrims are encouraged to reflect on their lives, seek forgiveness for past sins, and purify their hearts. The act of circumambulating the Kaaba, standing on the plains of Arafat, and participating in the stoning of the devil symbolize the struggle against evil and the renewal of one's faith. This process fosters a deep sense of inner peace, spiritual upliftment, and a closer connection with Allah. Equality and unity. Hajj is a gathering of Muslims from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and nationalities, all dressed in simple white garments, which symbolize equality and unity. During Hajj, pilgrims stand side by side, irrespective of their social status, nationality, or race. This experience of unity fosters a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood, breaking down barriers and promoting harmony among Muslims worldwide. The feeling of being part of a universal community strengthens the bonds of Islamic brotherhood and reinforces the concept of equality in Islam. Physical and mental well-being. Hajj involves various physical activities such as walking, standing, and performing rituals, which contribute to physical fitness and well-being. The physical exertion during Hajj serves as a reminder of the challenges faced by Prophet Abraham, and his family. Additionally, the discipline required during the pilgrimage, including adhering to specific timings and routines, can have positive effects on mental health, promoting focus, patience, and self-control. Reflection and self-discovery. Hajj provides a unique environment for introspection and self-discovery. The seclusion from worldly distractions and the focus on worship and remembrance of Allah allows pilgrims to reflect on their purpose in life, their relationship with the Creator, and their role in society. The experience of Hajj often leads to a deeper understanding of oneself and can serve as a catalyst for personal transformation and positive change. Cultural exchange and learning. The gathering of millions of Muslims from different countries creates a remarkable platform for cultural exchange and learning. Pilgrims have the opportunity to interact with people from diverse backgrounds, share experiences, and gain insights into different cultures and traditions within the Muslim world. This exposure fosters tolerance, understanding, and appreciation for the richness and diversity of the global Muslim community. Spiritual connection with prophets. Hajj holds immense historical and spiritual significance as it retraces the footsteps of Prophet Ibrahim, Hajar, and their son Ismail. The rituals performed during Hajj are deeply rooted in the stories and traditions of these revered prophets. As pilgrims follow in their footsteps, they develop a profound connection with these esteemed figures, experiencing a spiritual link to the past and reinforcing their faith in the continuity of Allah's message throughout history. Conclusion. Hajj is a transformative journey that offers numerous benefits to individuals and the Muslim community as a whole. It is an opportunity for spiritual purification, personal growth, unity, and self-discovery. The physical and mental challenges of Hajj, coupled with the cultural exchange and spiritual connection, create an environment conducive to profound transformation and a deepening of faith. By participating in Hajj, Muslims embark on a sacred pilgrimage that transcends boundaries and nurtures their relationship with Allah and their fellow believers.